black perspective. What's up, y'all? This is day 3, really day 2, to be honest. Day 3 in Florida. We at St. Pete Beach, just chilling. It's about 12:30. We just finished eating up some leftovers. We're just chilling in the room. We're supposed to go jet skiing, parasailing, and we tried to get our jet ski license because we have to have our jet ski license to jet ski. Makes sense. We went to the place yesterday. They said we had to get our license. They told us the website. Of course, we forgot as soon as they said it because it's like, bro, what? And then we remember it said like EDU at the end, and we tried to find websites with EDU. Couldn't find it, but now we tried looking at other websites and stuff like that, and it's not going too well. Cameron passed his license test, I think, maybe. Can you confirm it?
Yeah.
He had his mommy and his daddy do it for him. So I got them to do it for me. So they chose to do a different route. It is what it is. I'm not paying for it, so I don't really care. But, yeah. So as you can see, you know what I'm saying, we in bed. I just ate a lot, ate probably too much. I almost fell asleep, not gonna lie. But Cameron ate too. He ate his leftovers. We're just chilling in the room right now. We'll probably go parasailing pretty soon. I wasn't going to parasail first.
Why not? Because you're scared?
Okay, so here's the thing, bro. Here's the thing. I love roller coasters. Parasailing just seemed a little different to me. I'm gonna tell you why, but I'm gonna tell you why later. I'm gonna tell you why in a different part of the vlog, after we done parasailing and stuff like that. But Cameron is a little scaredy cat. He hates roller coasters. He literally goes to Cedar Point and doesn't get on any rides. He said he went on one ride. It was probably a little baby ride. It was probably a little boat that goes back and forth.
It wasn't that one.
The swings that go around.
It wasn't that one either.
Which one was it? Which one?
Why are you so worried about me?
Which one was it?
Why are you so pressed?
I mean, you just called me a little scaredy cat because I don't want to go parasailing, but I'm going parasailing.
How you like roller coasters but can't parasail? That doesn't make any sense.
How can you parasail but not get on roller coasters?
I told you why. What's the main point? Okay.
What's the main thrill of a roller coaster? To go up and come down like this, right? Sure. I don't like that part. If roller coasters didn't have the drop, I'd be fine. But they do, right? Parasailing, you don't drop like that at all. You just go and fly and float up there, right?
Why you sound so pressed? On Netflix, me and Maya watched the movie. Is it on me? Like, was it?
Yeah.
We was watching a TV show. It's called Who Killed Sarah, and Sarah died in the first episode because she fell from parasailing into the water. That's why. All right. What if I fall? But like, you know what I'm saying? This is what it is. I'm going.
You ain't never seen nobody die from roller coasters?
I'm going parasailing.
Yeah.
I'm going.
Now you are.
So I overcome my fears.
From now on, I'm gonna film this as if it's The Office, and I will pull pranks on him and look at the camera. Let's do our intros. Hold on. So long story short, we're just bored and we're getting ready to go jet skiing or parasailing, whichever one.
We're going parasailing.
Meet y'all out there.
Perspective again. We just got done jet skiing. It's my first time doing it. The second time. Cam's first time out as well. We all had a great time. It was cool out there. The water was nice and cool. I got up to like 35, 37. miles per hour on the jet ski, which to me seems like a lot. Dad, go ahead and tell them how fast you went.
I got up to about 44. It was bumpy, you know. Hitting those waves is crazy.
And then Cam, go ahead.
Not to brag, but you know, I'm a little speed racer, so I got up to about 74, 75 up there. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know,
Nah. So
I have to get me a jet ski instead. You know what I'm saying?
instead of a boat.
Yeah, instead of them boats.
I feel it. I feel it.
Yeah, we out.
So of parasailing and jet skiing,
that's
if you
a tough
had to
one.
pick one right away, which one would you pick to do first?
Oh yeah, probably jet skiing.
Because it's longer and
Yeah.
you can control stuff on the jet
The
ski.
parasailing was only 10 minutes.
Well, he said Cameron was up there for a lot longer.
He said I was up there for 10 minutes. Because I looked at my thing, I was recording, and it said, oh, I was up there for 7 minutes.
Yeah, we was up. He said everyone gets 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, he said he was up longer than anybody. But I thought the girl and the boy was up longer because
Yeah.
when he started dragging them and stuff. But you know, I went out pretty far. I don't know how far they went, but I went out farther than them, I believe. But I was like, shoot, let me see how far I could go.
And this was smoother than the last
Oh
time.
yeah.
Okay. Because I was like, this
See,
is
the
like,
trick is you gotta use your legs as a shock. A shock.
yes,
So you
yes.
can't sit completely down.
no,
So when the waves hit, you're just like,
yes,
But your butt is still hitting that thing because it's
Yeah.
jumping.
But it's not as bad. It's not.
yes. But
sit
we
there
were,
and hold.
but like I said, we were in choppy water. Like I thought we were gonna get tossed.
Well, and these were better
See, dude.
Sea-Doos. They were
Okay.
newer and
Okay. Did
the other one smelled,
gasoline?
it smelled like it was gonna blow
Oh
up.
yeah, well maybe that's the thing. You gotta have some.
And I was like, ain't no gas in it. He's like, you're fine, you're fine.
Hey, you can see at least mine was like filled all the way. So
Yeah.
he said he was like, oh yeah, when you turn off the engine, it's gonna show like these numbers. And he said like when it gets to, I completely forgot.
He said that to me too, and I was like, well, I'm not trying to figure that out. He said,
Yeah.
you got your watch on, so it doesn't really matter.
oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, because like I was like,
He said when it gets to 0.9,
yeah, I was. I said 0.7.
That's what he said that. I was like, dude,
Because I saw
we on
I saw
vacation. We on vacation. We ain't trying to do math, calculations and decimals.
Oh my god.
0.05767. What's up, gang? It's Jimmy. Back out here again. We just got done parasailing. A little sandy. You know what I'm saying? We went out. Earth is curved. Because
That's what I said.
the Earth is curved.
That's what I said.
Hey, I changed my fault.
What?
Forget Kyrie. Kyrie Irving's wrong. Earth is curved. But yeah, we just got done parasailing. It was fun. I'm not gonna lie. I'll do it again. In the previous vlog, I said I wasn't rocking with it. Hey, I'm rocking with it now. We rolled out there. We had to switch boats. You know what I'm saying? Switch whips, and then we had to ride out even further. My boy Cam. We went first though. We're gonna let him tell him about it.
So we get to boat number 1. And then we ride all the way out to where they're doing the parasailing boats. Oh my gosh. So then we hopped up in the parasail boat. And they said, all right, we're not going to do 3 people at one time. So who going first? It was cricket. And then Dad was like, I'll go. And I was like, I'll do it because I wanted to go first. I said that first. I was like, I'm going first. And then Dad was like, they do it 3 at a time. No, they don't. I went first, you know what I'm saying? Got me all strapped up. Not gonna lie, I was nervous at first. But, you know, when he gives rope, you just start floating back and up. But I was up in the sky like, ha, ha. And we gonna roll the clip. So as you see, I was up there in the sky, you know, chilling and whatnot. Earth is curved, you know what I'm saying? It was a vibe. It was vibes up there, no cap. No cap, it was vibes. And it was just a good time, and I'm glad we did it. I'm glad Devin did it. Oh yeah, and then the dip. He dipped us. Of course, he got Devin worse than he got me. Devin and Dad, because Dad and Devin hit the ease, you know what I'm saying? And then yeah, the boat ride back was fine because we was hitting them up, and they were going like us in the back. In the back, we was cool, but it was the front. They was going. It was like. Yeah.
Like I said, man, we had a great time. When me and Dad went up there, it was cool. I'm not gonna lie. I went up there and I yelled. He was like, "Yeah, I know you got some things locked up." You know what I'm saying? He said, "Let it out, man."
Your therapist?
Yesterday I had a bad day. You know what I'm saying? A bad night, I should say. Spilled drink on my nice fit. Fits in the corner. We ain't gonna show it though. But you know what I'm saying? I was like, ah! Actually, I was like, ah! You know what I'm saying? But it was good though, I'm not gonna lie. You know, in life, sometimes you get one stone, two birds, you know? And you already know. So I was up there, me and Pops, you know what I'm saying? We had a great time. About the dip. He said, do you want to dip feet, half the body, or whole dip? I was like, no dip. You know what I'm saying? They was like, oh, come on. They called my boy Princess, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, dang, I gotta do at least the toes, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get the toes, and you know, I don't like the ocean really like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't really like it like that, so I was scared a shark or a whale's gonna come get me, you know what I'm saying? I don't know much about the ocean, but that motherfucker big, you know what I'm saying? But my dad, he was like, when I said toes, he said, you got that? He went like that, talking about go halfway in. Hey, when he dipped us, I said, you know what I'm saying? My body went. I said, hey, hold on. We're going a little bit too deep. Hey, I looked at Dad, whole face wet. He was completely soaked. You know what I'm saying? He wet a little more, so it like dipped him more in. You know what I'm saying? That was his own fault. And he said that a wave was coming in as we was going down. So he was like, my fault. He was like, it's straight OG, you know what I'm saying? We about to shower and stuff, get all dressed up, whatever, go get some dinner or whatever. We're gonna keep y'all updated though. I'll catch y'all later.